This was module 3 with the experiment with list. So we were told to list the items for chosen list for mechatronics. So I did 6 items as for here, and then we were to print it in an itemized single list, so one by one. That's how it turned out there. And then we were to print or place these items in the same generic sentence, which each item, so photo eyes will be needed for automatic fans, and then each item after that. And then after we were told to make our own list, I chose food, so I placed each item into a unique sentence by placing or calling from position. So it was like my favorite food is fried rice. All I think about is eating chicken. Sometimes I even think about snacking on some broccoli. I even cooked some fettuccine last week. Tomorrow though, I will most likely just eat sandwiches for dinner. It doesn't always go with macaroni, unfortunately. And then we were told to add an item, so I used append. So I added French fries. And then we were told to remove an item, which I removed calling by placement, which was macaroni. And then I used pop to pull it out, but then also be able to call it back in. So I called it back in with this sentence, like, I'm sorry, macaroni, I still love you, just not as much as the others. And then we were told to clear the list, so I used the clear function, which after that's built, it just shows empty brackets. And then we make a new list, which I chose candies, combined the last 4 directions in the same a few lines. So it was, you had a list and then you put it in reverse alphabetical order, and then you reversed it again, went back to alphabetical order, and then it was done permanently. But then with the reverse Uno card, it went back to how it was previously. So now that was my list altogether.